I just wanted to share about some of the questions that people had about Mercor. And recently, I have kind of like completed one of a kind of a research assistance work in the Mercor over my weekend. And actually, I got paid for it as well. And I know similarly, a lot of people who are working on their PhD are actually currently relying on these platforms to kind of get some gig works to support them. I just would like to share about some of my experience about this Mercor and basically what is the thing that what kind of works that you can actually find over here in Mercor. So kind of like this is a new age kind of platforms where like kind of leading AI labs are trying to hire experts in each one of the domain, and kind of like they are trying to utilize your time and effort on a completely flexible basis, like kind of based on your availability. Mostly you will be kind of reviewing the work of AI, or in some case, like if you have done the work, like how I did was like I was actually correcting some of the errors or the some of the test cases with the AI model was not able to solve in Python. So those are the things that I actually tried, and it's really working. So basically, this is like there are a lot of these new age platforms like Mercor, this micro one scale AI. And what these people are doing is that they are basically connecting the kind of like the AI labs, and they have the models, and these models needs to be fine tuned. And for fine tuning these models, they wanted experts in each one of the domain, right? So these are not just generic models. There are some specific models as well. And kind of like fine tuning does not even just happen by programmers or like computer science people, but also people from different domains like physics, mathematics, chemistry. Kind of they are in this platform and they are trying to bid for a project, or you don't really bid for the project, but rather you try to apply for it, and kind of you go through an AI level interview to see if you are capable enough to kind of solve a roadblock which the AI is currently facing. So this is the format of work in Mercor. And recently, or last month, I tried doing some project in Mercor, and it's about the, like I said, the Python assistance work, which some test cases, like how you used to solve test cases in this lead code and all, right? Similarly, they are training these models to solve some of the Python problems, and there are many of these problems where this AI model was unable to solve. So kind of like we go there, try to assist it with prompts and try to direct it in a way to solve that problem. So that is the thing that I did last week. And actually, I was paid around like $115 for that, and I feel it was really good. Kind of like one of a PhD student from KPRIT introduced me to this Mercor, and kind of like I feel that it's really good. Kind of like, but maybe the requirements are a little stringent. I'm not sure because I have around like maybe I had the expertise to kind of get into it. I'm not really sure, but I think it would be worth to give it a try. I have shared it with a lot of students who are into that. Into my courses and also into the KPRIT and VIT to kind of give it a try to apply to some of the projects, and it really does work, right? And I just wanted to share you the it really worked. And actually, I just wanted to share you the payment that I really got out of it. I just got a 10,000 payment for just a I think I did the interview on one day, and I was given a task about it. I was briefed about it, and I tried to go into the application and try to solve it, and it was really good. And it was a new age work as well, kind of like how they are trying to bring in a lot of experts from different domains to kind of solve it on a uh, like on their free time, something like that, right? So it was really good. So I just want to share the experience of it. Basically, the work really was happening in this thing called as this Airtable. Some people might have heard about it. So basically, they kind of put the jobs over here, and kind of like we can bid and take the application and try to make the change and merge it to their code base. So that's one of the tasks that I did. I think I'm not supposed to kind of show it. I asked to my manager whether like kind of can I put a video about it. He just said you can put the high level of it, but don't go into the code or the show any of the things related to the code base. So I'm just trying to constrain myself on that. So yeah, this is a valid kind of a project and a valid company, and there are a lot of opportunities, especially for students who are working on PhD level AI related stuff, and also who are doing postgraduates or something on or interested in working on AI related projects. I think this is really good, and you can just go to this work.mercor.com and you try to explore all the different expertise that they have and try to apply to it and see how it goes. But yeah, it is definitely working, and you can get payment from India. I'm not sure whether I'm going to continue on this because I have a full-time job. I'm not supposed to do this. I just tried it as a because some of the students of whom I'm working with told me about this platform, so I just wanted to share about it. So that's it. If you want any help or if you want any assistance about getting into this, maybe try to ping me. I'll see if I can tell you about my experience about the projects. So basically, that's it. I'll just show you how the kind of like the work at mercor.com. Kind of like you can bid for multiple projects as well, and the AI interview will be completely like kind of like AI native. So basically, if you see over here, I just bid it for this project of AI software. It's a similar project of what I have done. And kind of like if you go into that project, you will have an AI interview. So what they will be doing in this AI interview is that a complete AI system will be coming and asking you to review some codes or try to improvise some of the codes that it will be having, and you just have to talk with the AI. And it was really interesting. Whether you wanted to get into it or not, you should have this experience about how the AI is hiring for working with itself, right? So it was very interesting. So try to go through it, and if you have any questions, please try to comment it. I'll see if I can help you out. But yeah, this is my experience with Mercor over last 2 weeks, and it really works. Thank you. Bye.